thinking, paano kaya nakakatulog ang isang tao ng mahimbing kahit nakagawa na sila ng kasalanan? Ng masama sa kapwa nila tao, o especially sa taong wala namang nagawa sa kanilang masama. Or how can they, naka-English, paano pa kaya sila nakakakain? I mean, I was thinking, paano sila nakakakain ng 3 times a day or more than 3 times a day after all the things or bad things na ginawa nila? Sorry, I'm taking care of my nephew, and you know what? He's so mischievous. Ay. Yeah, look at the camera. Bakit kaya? Like, what the hell? Suddenly, may kilala ako na gano'n. Like, I want to call him or his family. I want to ask if he's okay, if his family is okay. I want to ask also if paano sila nakakatulog, paano sila nakakakain, while the person na nagawa nila ng masama, the person na niroid nila, dinestroy nila yung peace, is nag-o-overthink. Like, he run na merong tao. Like, nasira na talaga yung, na-destroy nila yung mental health ng tao and the family nito. Ang kulit mo, may ginagawa nga ako! Wow! How can this person like that ay sobrang sama? Like, pero I don't care at all. What I care is itong batang na to na sobrang kulit at di ako nakakagawa ng dapat kong gawin. I don't like look at the camera. Sige, tingin ka. Ano nakikita mo? Sabihin mo, tita. Tita. You know what it feel like? Natatakot ka sa isang bagay o pangyayari na never mo naman ginawa talaga. Like, you know, alam mo sa sarili mo na wala kang kasalanan. Alam mo sa sarili mo na inosente ka, that you're not guilty, but you choose to act like a guilty. You choose to stay away from that kind, from that place, from that kind of people, from that kind of situation, para hindi lang basta mabigyan ng peace yung sarili mo, because para na din mabigyan ng peace of mind yung taong nakagawa sa'yo ng mali. Pero the truth is, I mean, basically, English. Lagi-practice nga niya ako. Kaingay. Pero okay talaga is, when you choose to leave that place, when you choose to stay away in that kind of situation, hindi ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ka ng peace inside, and this, and this. Kasi in reality, nababothered ka pa rin. Ano problema mo? Anong problema mo? Nababothered ka pa rin. Why? Wish siya ma. Nababalid ka pa rin kung bakit nagawa sa'yo nung ng taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo, yung taong malaki yung respeto mo for how many years, yung taong naging kasama mo throughout your life. So nababalid ka, how can they did that to me? If wala naman akong nagawang mali sa kanila. Wow! Oh my God! You know what? Just wait a minute.